special marine warning for the following inner waters from Point Monte to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for East Santa Barbara Channel from Point Conception to Point Mundo, California, including Santa Cruz Island, inner waters from Point Monte to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Anacapa Islands, outer waters from Santa Cruz Island to San Clemente Island to 60 nautical miles offshore, including San Nicolas and Santa Barbara Islands, until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 8:04 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a front capable of producing waterspouts was located along a line extending from near Ventura Harbor to 8 nautical miles south of San Nicolas Island, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ventura Harbor, Point Mundo, Anacapa Island, and San Nicolas Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Seek safe shelter. Goners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. Flood warning for the following county, Ventura, California. Flood warning in effect from this evening through Saturday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Ventura River at Foster Park. When? From this evening to tomorrow morning. Impacts at 17.6 feet. The Ventura River begins to flood the Ventura Beach RV Resort and agricultural areas upstream of the Main Street Bridge in Ventura. Additional details, at 8:40 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday, the stage was 17.3 feet. Forecast, the river will rise above flood stage late this evening to 18.0 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning to 11.1 feet early Monday afternoon. It will rise to 13.0 feet Tuesday morning. It will then fall again and remain below flood stage. Flood stage is 17.6 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 18.2 feet on January 5th, 2023. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Safe hard. Very hard.
This report is sponsored by Albertsons and Vaughn.
I did not expect to get that.
From this evening through
Here's a
Saturday
digital.
morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Ventura River at Foster Park. When? From this evening to tomorrow morning. Impacts at 17.6 feet. The Ventura River begins to flood the Ventura Beach RV Resort and agricultural areas upstream of the Main Street Bridge in Ventura. Additional details, at 8:40 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday, the stage was 17.3 feet. Forecast, the river will rise above flood stage late this evening to 18.0 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning to 11.1 feet early Monday afternoon. It will rise to 13.0 feet Tuesday morning. It will then fall again and remain below flood stage. Flood stage is 17.6 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 18.2 feet on January 5th, 2023. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Safe hard. Very hard.
There we go. We actually got it, and I did not expect KFI to relay at all. These are the logs in EASoc. But we'll see what else happens.
Service in Oxnard has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ventura County in southwestern California, northwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a convective line of storms extended from near Moore Park to near Point Mugu, moving east at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Simi Valley, Van Nuys, Woodland Hills, Malibu, Santa Monica, Calabasas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Or taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ventura County in southwestern California, northwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a convective line of storms extended from near Moore Park to near Point Mugu, moving east at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Simi Valley, Van Nuys, Woodland Hills, Malibu, Santa Monica, Calabasas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This is actually a tornado possible SVR, so this is a first for me. Like I said, we'll see what happens next. I'm currently waiting on KNX right here. KFI just went, and KEVN just logged it, so we'll see what else happens.
Northwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a convective line of storms extending from near Moore Park to near Point Mugu, moving east at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Simi Valley, Van Nuys, Woodland Hills, Malibu, Santa Monica, Calabasas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, so as you just heard there from a thunderstorm to contend with on top of everything else. Ventura County has been seeing that, and now it's making its way into Los Angeles County, so definitely another thing to look out for there. Stranded cars, floods, and a lot of gushing water on the roads. Natalie Taminian reports from near the Burbank Airport.